Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create high quality church flyers using Meta AI, Cutout Pro, Face Swap, and PosterMyWall. Okay, one thing I want you to understand that if you use this method, even if you are using a very low quality image, at the end your image is going to come out with a very high quality resolution. So no matter the image in your phone, don't bother. Just take your smartphone and just snap your face if you don't have any photo in your phone now. And equally, you just need your smartphone. You don't need anything and internet to achieve all these beautiful designs. Okay, so for you to do this, you need to come to WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Click on Meta AI. Okay, so I did this. I'm just trying to show you. You type something like this. Okay, but make sure you edit it to suit what you are looking for. Okay, like give me a picture of a young male fair African person. He should dress in suit, smiling face, that. Okay, this is another one. Okay, but I've already done this. I'm using this one in this tutorial. Okay, okay, let's continue. But before we continue, real quick, let me show you something. If you come to this YouTube studio here, you click on this video. Please wait, look at this. According to my YouTube dashboard, it shows that 91.7% of my visitors, 91.7% of my viewers are not subscribers. And the subscribers who watch my videos are just 8.3%. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Good. If you want to use this one, let's say we want to use this one. Okay, we take save image. After saving, you come to Chrome and you type face swap. Okay, face swap is an online editing tool that you can swap the image of your face, do many other things. Click this first Remaker AI tool, yeah, something like that. Upload the image you downloaded from Meta AI. Okay, after uploading the picture you downloaded from Meta AI, click upload swap image. Now, this swap image, you are going to be uploading the picture of your face or the picture of the person you want to do the flyer to. Okay, so you select the picture of the person you want to appear in the flyer. Okay, wait for it to load. It's loading the image. Okay, now you click on swap. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, wow, this is the image. Beautiful, right? Yes, now you download this image. It's free. You download this image. After downloading this image, you click on, you see in this very Google, come to Cut Out Pro. Search Cut Out Pro. Click on it. Okay, Cut Out Pro is free image enhancer online tool that you can change the background of your image and do many other things. Please wait, look at this. According to my YouTube dashboard, it shows that 91.7% of my viewers are not subscribers. And the subscribers who watch my videos are just 8.3%. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. After clicking on it, click on image background remover, this one. You click on upload image. Good. You take the image you downloaded from Face Swap. Okay. Remember, you are doing all these things so that you have a good quality photo. So it is working. Wow, good. It has removed the background. Okay, take download. Now it is in transparent background. After doing this, this is the final stage. After doing this, go now to poster my wall. Click on this one. So PosterMyWall is a free online editing tool that you can edit any flyer, just same as Canva. You now search church flyer depending on the flyer you want to do. Since we are talking about church flyer, you click on it and search. Now, good. You look for an image or for a flyer. If you want any dimension you want, you check and see that which resonate with you. Okay, you see there are many of them. Okay, now let's say we want to use this one. Okay, you click now on it. You click edit. You click on edit. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech. After clicking on edit, it's loading. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Good. Yes, you click on this image here. You scroll and you will see replace image. You click on it. You click on media. Sorry. You click on replace. Click on my upload. You click on upload image. Upload image. You take this image that has transparent background. Click done. Good. That's it. Very beautiful. Right? Now you have to enter into each of these texts and edit it. You edit it according to what you want. Okay? Edit all the text, edit the name of the church or the program, change this logo, you replace with your church logo, you change everything that you need to change here. Okay, remember our focus was to get this beautiful picture in it. So after doing this, you click on this icon here to download. Okay, you click on download. You say we should log in before downloading. You can continue with your Google account so that you log in. So after logging in, you wait for the image to load, loading design. Good. It has been downloaded. Okay, that's it. Open. Let's open and see. Wow, super beautiful. High quality. Very high quality. Good. Thank you for watching.